Next question, and this one is kind of a deep question, and it's tricky, and there's a lot of people in this situation, but I'm going to tackle this one too because it's very, very important. Unemployed and need to build cash. SH from HK. Hey, James, I'm a 35-year-old and I've been jobless for over a year. Job search has been painful. Nobody wants me. When I offered pro bono service, I will vent somewhere else. My cash reserve is starting to look dangerously low. I live in central London. By the way, very expensive place to live. Control your burn. Mortgage payment, $1,600 a month. Taxes, utilities, service charges total $1,000 a month. Bare minimum, I need $2,600 a month just to keep a roof over my head. Let's add in another $1,500 to live, and you can add those together. You're talking $4,100. My portfolio is 66% Tesla, 21% Bitcoin, 4% Sol, 3% MicroStrategy, and 6% others like Palo Alto Networks, HIMS, Rocket Lab, etc. Rocket Lab has done well for you. I don't feel comfortable sharing the exact amount I hold, but I have definitely achieved your goal of holding more than 300 Tesla shares. Good job. If you're in a situation where you need to build cash as soon as possible to last for 6 months, what would you do? What assets would you reduce or sell or swap? I am planning to build enough cash to last for 6 months and then revisit in 6 months' time, and hopefully the stock market will be higher. Thank you. This is a very stressful time in my life. Well, the good news is you have bags and you can make money off your bags. Again, I got my start in the 90s by selling covered calls, and you have that way out. What I would do in your situation, try not to sell these very precious assets, but watch when I sell covered calls. Watch how I do it. Look at all our training videos. Look at all the videos from Jacob. Look at all our fireside chats. We did a very detailed fireside chat last Monday, nearly 2-hour video on covered call selling, how to do it. And we have another one, advanced covered calls and options, on the 2nd of Feb as well. Check those out. Watch all the videos. Watch the trade alerts. Okay, this will enable you to sell covered calls safe and effectively without getting called out. And I do this, as you know, and I've been doing it for 35 years. And that becomes your own private money printer. That would be what I would do, not financial advice, but to do that, you need to be very patient and have very good technical skills, technical analysis skills. So I could spend a long time answering that, but we've covered all of this and how to do it in many, many, many videos on Patreon. Check them all out, and good luck out there. And don't let stress eat you alive. And there's always something somebody can do as a side hustle, become a property manager, do, Uber driver, whatever. There's tons of ways to make money out there if you put your mind to it. Don't feel that you can do it. Your only way to make money is to pick the job of your dreams. That's not true at all.